Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For example, who is the best in class? If you rewrote that question as a statement, he is the best in class. Makes sense. Use whom when a sentence needs an object pronoun like him or her. For example, this is for whom? Again, if you rewrote that question as a statement, this is for him. Sounds correct.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, that's correct. Who is used as the subject of a sentence or clause. Whom is used as the object of a preposition and as the direct object. In your sentence, the pronoun would refer to the direct object, so to be correct, you should say, the boy whom I met at the party.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.